These Harmony Audio HA-R65 speakers deliver a noticeable jump in clarity and volume over tired factory drivers, especially in the mid-range where vocals and guitars sit. Their 300-watt peak power handling and solid 100-watt continuous rating give them enough headroom to stay clean at higher listening levels without obvious distortion. The wide frequency response from deep bass into crisp treble helps them sound full and balanced even when driven directly from a factory head unit. Included plug-in harnesses make installation in compatible Toyota, Scion, and related models straightforward, avoiding any cutting or splicing of the factory wiring. Build quality feels reassuring with a rigid cone and surround that resist breakup, so they keep sounding tight and controlled over time. Overall, this package is a strong choice if you want an easy factory location upgrade that significantly improves everyday listening without needing a full custom audio build.